Hey you guys, welcome back to another hair tutorial. So I know you guys see how luxurious this wig is. Oh my god. So this wig is from Bgmgirl. It is their Kinky Straight Wear and Go Glueless 180% density HD lace closure wig, okay? So this wig is supposed to be literally a throw on and go type of wig, and this is a kinky straight texture, so it's supposed to give you that fullness, that movement, and it's supposed to look extremely natural. So you guys know I love me some kinky straight wigs. I love me some wigs that I can just throw on and go and that are glueless. So if you guys want to see how I was able to achieve this look, then just continue to watch. So right here, I'm just showing you guys everything that came inside the box along with this wig. Bgmgirl definitely hooked you up, and that bonnet was super cute. All right, so here is the wig. I just want to let you guys know that this wig came fully secure, which I absolutely loved. So once again, this is the Bgmgirl Wear and Go Glueless Kinky Straight HD Lace Wig. I have it in the 4x6 closure, and it is 180% density, Brazilian hair, and this wig is 26 inches. So the inside of the wig is a dome cap wig, so that means it's supposed to be breathable and it's supposed to be comfortable. The lace does come pre-cut, and it also comes pre-plucked as well, and as you guys can see, that lace is super transparent. Like if you just wanted to throw this wig on and just leave the house without the bleaching and all that stuff, that's exactly what this wig is made for. And let me tell you guys something, I love wigs like this mostly because they are beginner friendly, and even though I've been wearing wigs for a long time, wigs like this is always my go-to because who wants to do the lace and all that stuff? No, I like to be able to just throw my wigs on, and I do not keep my wigs on, so I love the luxury of taking them off. Now the lace in itself, it melted so easily, so that's how you know you have a real HD lace. Now I did cut off just a little bit more of that lace just so I can have the wig looking exactly how I want it to look, but this wig literally comes ready to install, and technically I don't even think we should be using the word install. You literally just throw it on and you style it and you leave your house. Now the 4x6 lace frontal, just so you guys know, is supposed to give you a full frontal look without you having to do the full, you know, glue all the way down to your ears, the ball head method. Like you really don't have to do any of that. So I gave you guys a close-up, that way you're able to see like how far the lace in itself goes. But this wig is absolutely beautiful. So now this is one of my favorite parts to do, by the way. I'm just putting on some makeup on that lace just to get rid of like that line of demarcation, and it really looks like it's coming from my scalp. And as you guys can see, that lace definitely melted. Now all the products that I use when it comes to bleaching my lace, as well as this foundation that I'm putting on the lace as well, everything will be listed in the description box down below, including all the hair information. But just so you guys know, regardless of the products that you use, regardless of the makeup that you use, you need to make sure that you are buying a wig with good lace. This is one of those wigs that literally come with good lace because I did not have to stress as far as making it look natural. So just keep that in mind, okay? But once again, Bgmgirl always comes through with their wigs in itself. It's beginner friendly. You don't need no glue, no spray, no gel. It's protecting your edges. And technically wigs like this is used as a protective style if you really want to think about it. Like your hair is fully secure. You don't need to use any additional products to throw the wig on as well. And even though it is a dome cap wig, it does come with the adjustable elastic band. That way you're able to really secure it. And some girls even sew the wig on their head as well. So that is an option for you. If you are the type to keep the wigs on your head, and this is one of those wigs where it's like made for glueless, that way you could take it on and take it off. If you want to keep it on, you could definitely sew it on your head. You could do that as well. So yeah, no worries there, sis, no worries. So now I'm just going in with my wax stick and my hot comb. I decided to give myself a classic middle part. Y'all know I love me a good middle part. And I am just sleeking the hair down because I want it to be fully flat on the top of my head. And then I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron this hair. That way you guys are able to see how straight you can get it. Now me personally, I do love the kinky straight texture, so I didn't want to flat iron all the kinks out, but with this tutorial you guys will see how well it straightens in itself. All right, you guys, so what do you think? I think it came out super cute. You guys know I love me some kinky straight wigs. I love me some kinky straight wigs. I love me some glueless wigs, and I did not additionally pluck this wig at all. Like, look at that lace, you guys. That wig came plucked just like that. So this literally is a wig that takes you like 3 seconds to install, and you are getting so much quality in it. The lace is quality, the hair in itself is quality, the wig is just beautiful overall. Like, I don't even know how many times I can say that. Definitely check out BGM Hair. I will have all the information listed in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you, and I'll see you next time.